Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a story that blends a little bit of Hollywood glamour with a touch of spooky history. Kourtney Kardashian and her husband Travis Barker were recently spotted exploring Salem, Massachusetts, and their adventure has fans buzzing. The couple, who never shy away from unique travel experiences, took part in Salem's famous Witch City walking tour, which has become a must-visit attraction for those who love history, mystery, and a little bit of the supernatural. For those who may not know, Salem is one of the most historically significant towns in the United States. It's best known for the Salem Witch Trials of 1692, a dark chapter in American history when fear and superstition led to tragic events that continue to capture the imagination of people today. The city has embraced its unique past, turning it into a place where visitors can walk through centuries-old streets, explore preserved buildings, and hear chilling stories of witchcraft, hauntings, and the people who lived through those times. Kourtney and Travis fit right into this setting, blending their signature style with Salem's mysterious atmosphere. Onlookers described the couple as relaxed and happy, walking hand in hand as they moved through the cobblestone streets. Kourtney kept her look casual but chic, something she's known for: effortless outfits that still turn heads. Travis, staying true to his rocker image, added a little edge to the outing. Together, they looked every bit the power couple, enjoying not just each other's company but also the history and culture of the city. The Witch City walking tour takes visitors through some of Salem's most iconic landmarks. These include sites tied to the original trials, historic cemeteries, and centuries-old homes that have stood the test of time. Guides often share stories that weave fact with legend, making the experience both educational and thrilling. It's no surprise that Kourtney and Travis chose this adventure. After all, they've always been known to embrace activities that are a little out of the ordinary. Fans were quick to share their excitement online. Many loved seeing the couple step away from their usual California surroundings to experience something different. While the Kardashians are often associated with luxury and glamour, moments like this show a more down-to-earth side. Exploring history, walking with other tourists, and learning about Salem's past painted a picture of a couple that values both adventure and shared experiences. Their trip also came at the perfect time. Salem is especially popular during the fall season, when the Halloween spirit is in full swing. Streets are decorated, events are held, and the atmosphere becomes even more electric. For Kourtney and Travis, who already have a love for bold and memorable experiences, it seems like the ideal destination. Their presence in Salem added an extra layer of excitement to a city that thrives on mystery and intrigue. What stood out the most was how genuine they seemed during the tour. Far from being a staged moment, this appeared to be an authentic outing where they simply enjoyed each other's company while immersing themselves in history. It's a reminder that behind the cameras and headlines, they're also just two people who like to explore, learn, and make memories together. Kourtney has often spoken about her love for family time and meaningful experiences, and this trip perfectly aligns with that. Meanwhile, Travis, who has a well-documented appreciation for art, culture, and all things unique, seemed right at home in Salem's unusual yet fascinating environment. Fans see them as a couple that balances fun with substance, something that makes them all the more relatable. As their Salem stroll continues to make headlines, one thing is clear: Kourtney Kardashian and Travis Barker know how to keep life exciting. Whether it's through music, family moments, or unexpected adventures, they constantly remind fans that life is about enjoying every chapter. This Witch City walking tour is just another example of how they find ways to connect not only with each other but also with places that carry powerful stories. So, what do you think about Kourtney and Travis taking this trip through Salem? Do you enjoy seeing celebrities embracing historic and cultural experiences? And would you want to take part in a walking tour like this yourself? Share your thoughts below. I'd love to hear your perspective. That's all for today's story. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a like, and share your comments. Stay tuned for more stories about the Kardashians, celebrity news, and unique adventures that keep us all entertained. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.